Hi dear students, this is part 1 of the series of videos which I am going to share with you regarding platoon diffusion. So what is platoon? In traffic engineering perspective, platoon is nothing but it's a group of vehicles that are traveling together. And why we need to study this? So as we all know, at low densities, the traffic flow is essentially of individual cars, whereas at high densities, flow is by platoons. So this suggests an analogy between traffic and gases. So that is what is the theory that we are going to study in this video. So this can be explained by means of Boltzmann-like behavior of traffic flow. So one common objective of this platoon diffusion study is to analyze the traffic signal timings. So in order to synchronize the traffic signal timings so that platoon of cars being released from one signal arrives at the next signal at such time that it can pass through the second signal without interruption. So that is the application of platoon diffusion. And the Boltzmann, he is a physicist and philosopher, and the Boltzmann equation was developed to describe the dynamics of ideal gas. And this equation, which forms the basis of the kinetic theory of gas, it explains the distribution of speeds among the particles in a sample of gas at a given temperature. So the same theory we can apply here in the case of traffic flow or in the platoon diffusion theory. So that is why it's called Boltzmann's like behavior of traffic flow. So let's see the characteristics of platoon in the next slide. What is a platoon? A platoon is a group of vehicles which are traveling together. You can see that in the figure. There are a group of vehicles which are traveling together. In majority of the cities in India, we always face this problem of traffic congestion, delay, and that results in pollution, increased vehicle operating costs, etc., etc. And the delays are caused mainly due to this isolated function of traffic signals at closely located intersections. So these traffic signals, most of the traffic signals, they are isolated traffic signals. They are not coordinated. So for better regulation of traffic flow at these intersections, the traffic coordination is one solution for that. The traffic signals need to be coordinated or linked in order to have a better flow of traffic through these intersections in a corridor. So for linking the signals, the traffic signals, the vehicle movement characteristics from upstream signal to the downstream signal need to be considered. Okay, so from one signal to the next signal, how these group of vehicles are traveling is what we are studying in this platoon diffusion theory or traffic progression models. So they model the vehicle movement characteristics and which helps in the linking of signals. So that is what is traffic progression model. They basically model the vehicle movement characteristics which will help in linking of traffic signals. Let's see the various variables which could describe the platoon. So various platoon characteristics is illustrated in this figure, and this include platoon size, platoon headway, platoon speed, and intra-railway headway. The platoon behavior and distribution pattern could be identified with respect to these parameters. So these are the parameters which could define the behavior and distribution of or distribution pattern of platoon. So that is why if we know these different parameters, we could describe a platoon. So in this figure, you can see it's a stop line defined. It's an intersection area where you have a detector and the traffic is flowing in the direction. The traffic flow direction is also given, and the distance between the stop line and the platoon detector is given by LP. And let's see what are the parameters here. So first one is the platoon size. So platoon size is nothing but it's a number of vehicles that are there in a platoon. So platoon size is a number of vehicles in a platoon is defined as the platoon size. Next is platoon headway. The average value of headways within a platoon. So inside a platoon there will be a group of vehicles traveling, right? So platoon headway is the average value of headways between the vehicles within a platoon. And next parameter is the platoon speed. As I told you, there are a group of vehicles traveling together. So they will be traveling at different speeds, right? So platoon speed is the average speed of all the vehicles within a platoon. Then we have a group of vehicles. Then behind that another group of vehicles. So there are two group of vehicles. So I can call the first one to be platoon 1, the second to be platoon 2. So inter-arrival rate or inter-arrival, it is a headway between the last vehicle of the preceding platoon and the first vehicle of the following platoon. So in this figure you can see the first 1, 2, 3, 4 up to n. We can call that to be one platoon. So it's the first one, it's the n platoon. 8 number of vehicles are there. And then comes the next platoon. Again the number starts from 1, 2, 3, etc. up to m. Okay. So the platoon size in the first platoon, I can say that to be n. And the platoon size of the next will be m. 1 up to m vehicles are there. And then between these two platoons, okay, the headway between the last vehicle of the preceding platoon and the first vehicle of the following platoon is defined as a inter-arrival. Okay, so in the first platoon, the last vehicle is the nth vehicle, and in the next successive platoon, the first vehicle is 1. So the headway between these two, we can call that to be inter-arrival. So these are the different parameters, and these parameters we can use in order to study the platoon behavior and distribution. In this video, we have seen what is a platoon and why platoon study or platoon dispersion study is essential in traffic engineering. And we briefly discussed about the Boltzmann kinematic theory or the Boltzmann's like traffic behavior, and how we can apply the Boltzmann's behavior into the traffic flow. And then we discussed about the different platoon parameters, or the platoon characteristics can be defined by certain parameters or certain variables, and those variables we have defined. So that's regarding this video. In the next video we will see more on the modeling part of platoon dispersion.